you may now be seated. As an inspirational speech from an honorable speaker is always an essential part of the commencement exercise. He is supposed to convey words and ideas of encouragement and motivation. So, to introduce our honorable guest speaker, let us call on AICS Oksina. Okay, so pag yung host, tinawag niya okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our guest speaker, Mr. Paul Manalang. Sa darating na prank na graduation, mas sabay-sabay pa doon, ha? So, ganun yung cue natin. Pag tinawag yung pangalan ng guest speaker, tayo, palakpak. Okay, ganyan. July? May 21? Ano kaya may 21 natin? Mas. Yung susunod yung toga, distribution. 23. Okay. So, ano siya? Anong day yung 23? Pwede ba iwanan sa atin? Alam gusto ko yung AICS meeting. Iwanan mo tayo mag-finger heart lang. Okay. Kaya tayong limited lang yung natin space kasi nga madami tayo. Tapos may bibutan din. Kaya ano rin, hindi ko pwede namin papasukin lahat baka hindi magkasya. So yung marireceive nyo, basta yun na, sa graduation, may nag-flash naman na ano, lyrics, kailangan kakanta pa rin, ha? Okay, go. Dahil nag-graduate dito, ha? Seems like it has been my only friend.
Tagalog. Gabi, ready mo na yung camera. Hi, sir. Hi ka, sir. Hi ka. Hi ka, sir. Hanap. Ay, hanap sa daan.
Kasi wala nadagugulungan ng mapipikit. Matagal na yan dyan malamang, tapos matagal na nila tinetengka. Matagal na nila tinetengka yung ginagawa.
Jill. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay na. Kota na kayo.
Manager of AICS South branches. In every step of the way, it was there were days where I doubted myself. There
wala mang nakikita. Haplos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip. Hindi na
Vladimir A. Chavez Marjorie. Tanparan Don Angelo A. Etias Carl.
Amin na next! Kate, mas okay ba kung ganito ita? Ay, gigilit ko. Okay lang yan, para may...
Kapanan dahil Dan B. Sanchez.
Say hi.
Valsino F.
Ano mo gumagay sa yung short hair? Pipicture niyo ako mamaya.
Sanchez Valsino B. Santilang Emil Arno P. Santilang Glenn Christopher B. P. Alday Stephen John A. Alfonso Joshua B. Alwin Anika B.
Sinama talaga si Alfonso.
Nakagraduate siya ng
L. Junior S. Ang tao, Tormina M. Antonio Melrose B. Banya Marnico B. Santos Shena L. Bartolome Rose Marie.
Hintayin niyo yung pangalan niya. Hintayin niyo yung pangalan.
Mirabete Johanna Eulalia A. Modol Melody E. Otevilla Carmen. Pagaduan AICS Award with high honors and best in science.
Ito sa una.
Mirabete Johanna Eulalia A. with honors. Mirabelles Modelio P. with honors. Mongaya Karina A. with honors.
My dearest grade 11 advisor, Miss Adeline Bore, and to my grade 12 advisor, Mr. Mansur Padre. Thank you so much for your kindness and invaluable support along the way. I hope you know that every single word of encouragement from you are appreciated. It helped me reach my full potential and made me believe in myself more. To my fellow graduates, let us take a moment to thank ourselves for not giving up. I know that all of us keep on struggling in the past year when we are at our campus.
Institute of Computer Studies,
Do hereby solemnly pledge.
do hereby solemnly pledge.
Sige po, tayo po tayo as we sing the AICS hymn.
Jill.
Of Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Commonwealth, and Biguta. Please rise for the exit of honors. Once again, thank you for joining the ceremony. Congratulations, graduates, and God bless us all. So, paalala lang po, pwede na po natin tanggalin yung ating tour guide cap. Iwanan lang po natin sa ating mga upuan. Pwede na po natin sunduin ang ating mga parents. And once again, happy party. Congratulations po. Mabuhay po ang AICS, Commonwealth, and Biguta.
Walking Scott Street feeling like a stranger, with an open heart, open container. I've got a stack of mail and a tall can. It's a shower beer, it's a payment plan. There's helicopters over my head every night when I go to bed. Spending money and I earned it. When I'm lonely, that's when I'll burn it. Do you feel make me